Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Today, as you can see, I have a small bunch of Hatch green chilies. Love, love, love these. These are amazing. I usually roast them with tomatillos and some onion, um, jalapeno, and make a green chili verde sauce. But um, since I was away, the Hatch green chili sale was on, and I also missed my tomato picking this year, so I'm looking for Roma tomatoes so I can can those. But I'm going to be roasting these in the broiler, and I was gonna try canning them this year, um, but I decided not to. One reason is I don't have enough. I'm gonna try to get some more. They're already $1.99 a pound here, so I missed the good sale. But I want them. I have some from last year in the freezer, but I just don't have enough. And I use these year round. These are great. You can add them to dishes like I do. You can roast them, put them in the dehydrator, and then grind them up and have a powder, a green chili powder, hatched green chili powder, which is amazing. Um, that's really good. But I like to just have them on hand for tacos, for green sauce. I like to freeze them after they're all done, and then take them out. And I have enough in the freezer now, and then with these to make a good green sauce once I get some tomatillos. So I'm going to try going to the store later and getting some more, and then I'll just add to it. So these are going in food saver bags. I'm going to use my food saver, and the way I do this is I line a tray, a big cookie tray. It's a half sheet with foil. I have my broiler on in the oven, and these are already cleaned and washed. I'm going to leave the stems on. I'm not going to de-seed them or anything. I'm just going to roast them as is. And then I'm going to steam them for probably a couple hours. And let's see, this one's not going to fit in. There we go. I'm going to steam them and let them, the skins, I'm going to char the skin, but I'm going to, when you steam them, the skin will come off. You want to take the skins off of here. So the point of roasting them is you want to roast them and get a good char on them. Sometimes I even do it over an open flame or a barbecue. Today, since I only have a little bit, I'm just going to do them in the broiler. But you can see they're really good. They're firm. They're really nice. It's a shame that this is all I can get. So, and there's some really nice ones in here. So I'm going to put them here. I'm going to steam them after I roast them, and I will take you guys along for that and show you each step. And then the skin will peel completely off, and I will cut them in half, de-seed them, take the stems off, and then put them in food saver bags whole. I usually don't chop them up before I put them in food saver bags because I never know what I'm going to do with them. If I use them for green chili sauce, then there's no need to chop them up. So I just put them in the food processor whole after cooking them. So it just depends what you do with them. If you want to make green chili sauce, I will link one of my videos from last year and the year before where I do the peppers with tomatillos, some onion, a couple jalapenos, maybe a serrano pepper for flavor. Get all that, all the flavor that you want in there. I add cilantro, and I roast it all at the same time. Then I put it in a pot and cook it down. And then I use my immersion blender to get it all nice and as chunky as I want it. And then you can can that or freeze that as well. So usually I only do that. I do as much as I'm going to use for that night. If I'm making enchiladas or pork chili verde, it just depends what I'm going to use them for. But I do use these all year round, and when I run out, I have to run to the store and get a can of them, and it's so much easier to do your own when they're on sale, especially if you can get them. Usually they're like 89 cents a pound, 99 cents a pound. So I paid double. They were on sale while I was away. So I missed out, but like I said, I'm going to get more. No worries. And these are supposed to be hot ones. So we'll see. After they roast, I will cut a piece off and I'll taste it and see how hot they are. So right now I'm just going to put them into the broiler. And when they're all done, I will show you guys what to do next. Thanks for coming along on this journey and watching the videos. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. There's lots of canning videos, lots of cooking videos coming up in the next several weeks to months. I plan on getting all my videos out there, clearing out my garden, putting in some fall seeds, plants, if I can get them. I have enough seeds already. And we'll see where we go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to stay tuned for the next step. It'll be in separate videos since I don't have editing capabilities yet. Got my computer up and running, but got to get an editing program now. Thanks for watching.